About 100 kilometers away from Hyderabad, the DHF seeks to work at Panagal, Telangana, to preserve the temple style and architecture that was prominent during the time of the Chalukyas of Kalyani that can be seen at the Pachala Someshwara temple here. The columns, walls, and basements in the temple complex are covered in exquisite sculpture and reliefs of the artistic tradition that has mainly been lost in Telangana.
Panagal is architecturally very significant temple. In fact, what we see today as the pinnacle of Kakatiya architecture, Ramappa, which is now declared as a World Heritage Site, the Pachala Someshwara temple in Panagal predates Ramappa temple. So it's a very important benchmark in temple architecture. I mean, in terms of architectural restoration, now it's a heap of stones. Now it's like a puzzle to put it back together. All the stones are there, but they're all dismantled and kept. So we have to reassemble it.